Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some more magics in mathematics. Okay, already in the previous session we discussed left to right same number. Okay, magic squares, magic hexagons we discussed. And when you interchange the numbers, when you changing the order of the numbers, you will get the same sum by adding or by multiplying also. Okay, we discussed different types of magics we discussed in previous session. Today we are going to discuss that calendar magic. Okay, calendar magic. Today we are going to discuss calendar magic. What is calendar magic? What is calendar magic? See this here, all of in your home you will be having calendars are there. Okay, in that calendar let us take any one month. Okay, now I am going to take that. There is a month Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, these are the week names. Okay, day names: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it starts from this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, right, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and as well as 31. Okay, this is 1 month. Clear? You can take 30 also, no problem. Now, in this, see this, all of you observe page number 107, calendar magic. Look at the calendar below. Here I wrote the calendar. Clear? Now let us mark a 3 cross 3 or 3 cross 3 box, that is 9 dates on the calendar and see some magic. Now I can quickly find the total of these numbers in the box. The girl is saying that, and the second girl is saying that won't that it will take some time. Here I am going to take they given here these 3 by 3 means 9 numbers. This is 3 by 3 box, 9 dates which contain 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19. These are the 9 dates. Here the conversation is going on between two girls. First girl is saying that I can quickly find the total of these numbers in this box. Whatever the numbers are here, 9 numbers are there. What is the total of these 9 numbers? First girl is saying that I can find very quickly I can find out the total of these 9 dates. But second girl is saying that won't that take some time? And first girl is saying that the total of these 9 numbers equal to 99. How it is possible? Now there is a rule here. Okay, here there is rule. First of all, see this here. Out of these 9 numbers, what is the smallest number? What is the smallest number? You can see this here. Yes, smallest number is 3. So here rule is take the smallest number. Take a smallest number. Okay, from out of 9 numbers, these 9 numbers, take smallest number. Smallest number. What is the smallest number here? Which is equal to 3. Now what is the next rule? Add 8 to it. For this 3, add 8. Add 8. So what you are going to hear? 3 plus 8. By adding 8 for the given number is 3. You will get answer is 11. Okay? After the 11, you just multiply with 9. Multiply with 9. Multiply with 9 for this answer. What you are going to hear? 11 into 9 is equal to 99. First girl is saying that the total will be 99. So this is the rule. Okay, this is the rule. What is the rule here? First of all, out of these 9 dates, 9 numbers, you can select first of all smallest number. What is the smallest number here? 3 is the smallest number. For this 3, you should add 8. First step is you can select smallest number Second step is for the smallest number you should add 8. By adding those two numbers you will get answer is 11. Okay, for this 11 whatever we got the answer here, for this answer you can multiply with 9. The total will be, this total number of these 9 numbers equal to 99. Total of these 9 numbers is equal to 99. Okay, here one more quickly, there is one more magic rule, there is one more rule is there, right? The rule is nothing but, here one more boy is saying that, hey, just take the middle number and multiply it by 9. You see, you can get the answer even faster. Here, by adding these 9 numbers, you will get the answer is 99. By using this rule also, you will get answer is 99. And here one more is there. See this here, out of these 9 numbers, this is the middle one. This is the middle number. What is the middle number here? 11. Okay. For this middle number, I am going to multiply with 9. Middle with 9. You will get that is which is implies 11 into 9 is equal to 99 also. Even very fastly we will get the answer. Okay. This is nothing but calendar magic. What is calendar magic? First of all, select 9 numbers. That is 3 cross 3 box. In this smallest, in these 9 numbers, we need to find out the total of these 9 numbers. Clear? So here there are two rules are there. One is first of all, take a smallest number, add 8 to the smallest number, you will get the answer. By adding that, after adding whatever we got the answer, for this answer you should multiply with 9, you will get the total. Otherwise, find out the middlemost value, middle value. Okay, out of these 9 numbers, this is a middle value. For this middle value, you can multiply with 9, you will get the total. Sir, is this only possible for these dates? No, you can take any 3 by 3. Any 3 by 3, you can select these also. You can select 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 21 also. The answer will be 13 into 9. What is the 13 into 9? 13 into 9 is 117. 117. Clear? Right? Otherwise, you can select a small number 5. You should add 8 for this. 13 again. 13 into 9 also you will get the same answer. 117. Or you can select these numbers also. Okay, you can select these also. Okay. In these 9 dates also, 9 9s are 81. The total of these 9 numbers is 81. Or you can select here, 1 is the smallest number, add 8, you will get 9, 9 9s are. So here, in this first rule, 8 is compulsory, 9 is compulsory. You should add 8 for the smallest number. Whatever the maybe smallest number, you should add 8 compulsory. After getting the answer, you should multiply with 9 only. These 8 and 9 is compulsory in the first rule. Second rule, whatever may be the middlemost number, whatever it is the middle value, for this middle value just multiply with 9, 9 compulsory. Here we are multiplying with 11 into 9, we got 99. Here for this 9 should multiply with 9, you will get 81. Here you should multiply with 9, this 13, you will get 117. Or you can select any these 9 also. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 22, 23, 24, 29, 30, 31 also. Multiply with 23 into 9, you will get the total. Is clear? This is nothing but calendar magic. Clear, my dears? You just copy this one in your classwork, and you can do one more by selecting any 9 numbers. By selecting any 9 numbers in order wise. Okay, how we are selecting here? Okay, don't take 3 here, 3 down, again 3 here. Not like that. It is 3 by 3 box. Okay, so 3, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in order wise. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood that. Now you choose any 3 by 3 box from a calendar and find the total in the same way. Play this game with your family. Right, my dears? So now all of you turn the page. Some more number patterns. Let us discuss some more pattern numbers. Some more numbers pattern. Okay. Here different are there in math magic. Very interesting part. Very interesting lesson this is. Clear? I hope you understood that. How to find out the total of by using the calendar. In calendar, calendar magic, how to find the total of 9 numbers in the box. Okay, already we discussed 2 rules, right? Clear? Right, my dear son. Now let us discuss some more number patterns in page number 108. Page number 108. Some more number pattern. Number patterns. So here, let us discuss here. Take any number. You can take any number. Okay? Here, take any number. Now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and dash dash dash. At every step. In each and every step, you should multiply with first step with 2, second step with 3, third step with 4, fourth step with 5, like that. Now also add 3 to it at each step. You should add 3 in each and every step. After multiplying, you should add 3. Again multiply, add 3. Multiply, add 3. Look at the difference in the answer. Look at the difference in the answer. Is it the same at every step? Now, here they given 12. There is a number is 12. So now here 12, they multiply with 2. You will get plus 3. Okay, first of all multiply. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. We got here 27. What is that here? 27. Again you have to multiply. Take 12 into 3 plus 3. You will get, see this here. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. Again 12 into 4 plus 3. You will get 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So like that here they given up to 9 also. That is 12 into 5 plus 3. What is the answer here? 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 3 which is equal to 63. Right, my dear sir? Now 12 into 6 plus 3 which is equal to 12 6 how much? 72. Very good. 72 plus 3 which is equal to 75. Right? Now 12 into 7. 12 into 7 plus 3. 12 7s are, right, 84. 84 plus 3 which is equal to how much? 87. Right? So like this here there are more are there. Now see this here. Now find the difference between these two values. Difference means subtract. How to do subtraction? Big value minus small value. Always we need to subtract small value from the big value. Now I am going to do difference here. 39 minus 27, we got 12. You can take any two numbers, not any continuation numbers. Now 63 here I am going to take 75 and 63. I am going to take these two numbers. 75 minus 63. You will get 12 here. You will get 12. That means in each and every, the difference is it 12 here. Here also 12. 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 So what is the 12 here? Whatever we took the number. Whatever we took the number here, same thing will get done. Right? The difference of these two answers will become 12. That is our number. Whatever we got the number. Whatever we taken the number. Whatever we took the number. Clear, my dear sir? That is the magic of mathematics. Right here, some more number pattern. This is a pattern. Now let us try for another number. Okay? Now let us see this here. Now try doing it with some other number and also take a different number to add in each and every step. Here they took 12 and 3. These two are the fixed. See this here. 12 we are multiplying, we are adding 3. 12 we are multiplying, adding 3. Right? Let us take one more number. Let us take a simple number. Now I am going to take a simple number and I am going to add with another number, not 3. Okay? Let us discuss. See this here. Let us try for another number. Will get the same or not? Right? Let us take a small number, simple number. Okay? Let us take 8. Okay? Now for 8 we are going to multiply with 2, 3, 4 and everything. Okay? I am going to take first of all 8. So 8 into 2. I am going to add 5. Okay? Let us discuss. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to how much? 21. 21. Now 8 3s are 8 threes are plus 5. What is 8 threes are? 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. Now see this here. 8 into 4 plus 5. 8 fours are 32 plus 5, which is equal to 30. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 5 is equal to 37. Right? Now 8 fives are. Should multiply with 5. Again add 5. That is 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Now observe this here. Observe the difference here. Difference of these two. Difference of these two. Difference of these two. That is 29 minus 21 is equal to 8. Again 37 minus 29 is also 8. And 45 minus 37 is also 8. See this here, whatever we take, we took the number here 8. The difference also we got here 8. Here also 8. Here also 8. So that is the magic of mathematics. Clear, my dear sir? Right? I hope you understood that. You can take in a different number. Take another number here, multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5. Add another number. You will get the answer. See the difference here. Whatever we took the number, and the difference also will be same. Right, my dears? I hope you understood that. Clear? Now let us take one more pattern here. One more pattern is there. That is now try doing it with some other number and also take a different number to add in each and every step. Now let us take one more here. There is one more pattern is there other than this. Did you understand, my dears? Very simple, very easy, but you can play with this game. You can play it as a game also. Play with your father or mother or with your brother or sister. It is very easy. You can understand maths in a easy way. Right? Maths is always easy only. Right? Now let us take one more here. Look at the numbers below. Look for the pattern. Can you take it forward? You can write all the blank, fill in the blanks. Now see this here. They given 9 minus 1 in the bracket divided with 8. The answer will be 1 here. Next 98 minus 1 divided with 8. You will get 2. Okay, 12. You will get 12. Right? Next here 9, here 98. Next one is 987 minus, sorry my dears, here 2. Sorry. Here it is 2. Next 3 divided with 8. You will get 123. First step, 9 minus 1 divided with 8, you will get 1. Because 9 minus 1 is 8 only. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 only. Clear? Next step is 98 minus 2. 98 minus 2 is nothing but 96. 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12. Next one is 987 minus 3, which is nothing but 984. 984 divided by 8 is equal to 123. Next one is 9876 minus 4 divided with 8, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 98765 minus 5 divided with 8, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 98765 minus, here it is 6 divided with 8, you will get the answer is what is that here answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the magic here. When we increase the numbers here one by one, 9, 98, 987, 9876, 9765, sorry 98,765, 9,87,654. So we are writing in reverse order from 9, 98, 987, 9876, 98765. 987654. Next one is 9876543 minus 7. When we divide with 8, without doing any calculations, without doing any calculations, we will get the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? That is the only last one, 6, 7. Right? This is the fill in the blanks. From here 1, 2, 3, 4 fill in the blank. These are 4 are the blanks, and this is also blanks only. Okay, 6 to 7 also is blank. Right, my dears? So this is the magic of mathematics. See how the patterns are without doing any calculations. Only we know that how to do subtraction here. Okay, otherwise by seeing the pattern, you will get the answer easily, very easily. See this here, we are writing the values from 9 to reverse order, down, decreasing. 9, 98, 90, 9876 means we are numbers, we are taking the numbers are different here. Answers are, see this here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See this is a magic. This is called magic. Clear? Patterns. Right? This is called patterns in mathematics, not in design. It is mathematics. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood that. Okay? Right? Now smart adding, we are going to see this here. Let us discuss smart adding. Okay? Smart adding. How to add smart adding? The page number 109. You please note down this in your textbook. Okay? Right, children, let us discuss in the page number 109 smart adding. Smart adding. How to adding these 10 numbers, you can get a very quickly answer. By seeing that, you should tell the answer compulsory. It's very easy. That is a magic. Okay, smart adding. Right, my dears, here by adding the continuation numbers. First of all, they given some here the discussion is going on between boy and girl or brother and sister, okay, or between two friends. Now what if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? The girl is asking the boy, what if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? The boy is saying that, oh, I can find it quickly. Smart, how can you do that? The girl is asking that. Very smart, right? How can you do that? The boy is saying that I can get the sum without adding also. Without adding. Let us see this here, the pattern here they given. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, which is equal to 55. Sum of the first 10 numbers. Sum of first 10 numbers is 55 always. You just add 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 7 is 28, 28 plus 8 is 36, 36 plus 9 is 45, 45 plus 10 is 55. Clear? Now, next one is, what is the next numbers here? After 10 we will be having 11, 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. The answer will be 155. Why? Why 155 here? See this here, observe here. In the first row we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. By adding these 10 numbers we will get the answer is 55. So for each and every value I am going to add 10. You will get 11. Plus 10, 11, plus 10, 12, plus 10, 13, plus 10, 14, plus 10, 15, plus 10, 16, plus 10, 17, plus 10, 18, plus 10, 19, plus 10, 20. So here 10 we are adding 10 values, 10 times we are adding 10. So 10 times we are adding 10 means 10 tens are 100. That 100 we should add this one, you will get 155. That is very clear. Now coming to the next one, 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27 plus 28 plus 29 plus 30. This is nothing but 255. Again same 100, 100, 10, 10, 10 we are adding here. By adding 10 you will get 21. By adding 10 you will get 22. 10, 23. By adding 10 you will get 24. Like that in each and every value. For each and every value we are adding 10. So 10 we are adding 10 times. That is nothing but 100. By adding 100 you will get answer will be 255. So like that you have to complete with 31, 31 plus, 41 plus, as well as 51 plus and 61 plus also. What will be the answer here? 255, 355 you will get, 455 you will get, next value you can write down. Right, sir? So 555 is there and this is 555, the last one is 655. Right? Did you notice some pattern in these answers? Yes, sir. What is the pattern here? The difference is 10. The difference is 10 here. By adding 10 to the first value, you will get the next value. By adding 100, sorry, by adding 100 for this value, you will get 155. Again 100, add 100, you will get 255. Again add 100, you will get 355. Like that. That is the pattern. Here we are adding 10 for each and every is equal to left hand side. Left side of the is equal to, we are adding 10 for each and every value. For right side of the is equal to, we are adding 100 for the answer. We will get the next answer. That is the math. Magic. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood that. Right? Clear? Please note down this. Note down the answers and complete this also. Okay? Right, children. I hope you understood that today class. I think you can enjoy it very a lot of. I think so. How to do magic with math? Clear, my dears? So here small work you have, that is page number 107, calendar magic. So they given one box. Okay, you can select another box, another 9 numbers, and you can find the total of those numbers in a 3 methods are there. Okay, by adding all those numbers, first step. Second step is take the smallest number, add 8 and multiply with 9. And the third one is find out the middlemost value. What is the middle value? Multiply with 9, you will get the answer. That is the calendar magic. And page number 108, some more number patterns are there. Okay, number patterns are there that you need to find out. You can select different numbers also. Page number, that is 108. Right, in 108 you will be having, that is some more number patterns. This is you can select different number, multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9 and add another number. You will get the answer. Find the difference here. Already I explained one. You can take another number. Right? Otherwise this you need to complete it. Otherwise in the page number 109, smart adding. Complete this all the fill in the blanks. Clear? And find the difference also in your classwork and as well as textbook also. Clear, my dears? Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay? Enjoy with maths. Thank you, my dears.